Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to share with you a delicious recipe that has become really popular in my household. These are lemon muffins with chickpea flour. Yes, these muffins are delicious. They're sugar-free, they're great as breakfast, a snack, on a side of your main meals. They're amazing. These lemon muffins with chickpea flour have lemony taste. I do not use any sweetener besides 3 ripe bananas, but if you feel like you want something sweeter, then go ahead and add some agave syrup, honey, or maple syrup, whatever you prefer. We do not add any other sweetener because we try to eat them more as savory and during breakfast rather than anything else. Feel free to connect with me on Instagram for more healthy food inspirations. You will only need 8 ingredients for this recipe, which is fantastic. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. In the meantime, in a bowl, we'll add the dry ingredients. 1 cup of chickpea flour, 1 cup of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and stir them well. In another bowl, add 3 ripe bananas. The riper, the better actually. Mash them with a fork. Then top up with juice from 1 to 2 lemons, we prefer 2 actually. Combine the mashed banana with the lemon juice very well. Then transfer the wet ingredients to the bowl of the dry ingredients and mix these two again very well, creating a fantastic batter. Oil a muffin tray with coconut oil or olive oil, whatever you have available. Then using a tablespoon, transfer a couple of spoons from the batter to each muffin case. Before baking them, sprinkle some cinnamon on top and decorate with some walnuts. Besides functioning as decorations on your lemon muffins, walnuts actually add a crunchy element to your muffins, which is fantastic. Leave to bake for 30 minutes. When ready, take them out and enjoy as you wish. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I have the written version in the description of this video. I have also some freebies for you to grab. my ebook on healthy and happy lifestyle and a Mediterranean meal plan that was produced with the help of my dietitian friends. If you enjoyed this video also, feel free to hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you, see you in the next episode.